Bring-de-da-dum, brum-de-da-dum, brum-de-da-dum, bring-de-da-dum, bring-de-da-dum, brum-de-da-dum.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you to one of Vancouver's most stunning hidden gems, Lighthouse Park. And guess what? It's even more magical in winter. Bundle up and join me as we explore this peaceful coastal wonderland. As you walk through the trails, you'll notice the quiet beauty of this forest. In winter, everything feels so calm, like nature is taking a deep breath. These trees are over 100 years old, and some are among the tallest in Vancouver. If you visit in winter, remember to wear good boots. The trails can get a bit slippery, but the views are absolutely worth it. This park is famous for its towering trees, breathtaking ocean views, and of course its iconic lighthouse. Let's go check it out. Lighthouse Park is more than just a hike. It's an escape. In winter, it feels like you have the whole place to yourself. It's moments like these that remind me how incredible nature can be. After a short 10-minute walk, you'll start to see the lighthouse peek through the trees. Fun fact, this lighthouse has been here since 1912, guiding ships through these coastal waters for over a century. It looked like something straight out of a postcard. There it is, the iconic lighthouse at Lighthouse Park. The winter backdrop makes Let's get a closer look. The rocky coastline here is just breathtaking. If you're lucky, you might even catch a stormy wave or two. It's a photographer's dream. Standing here, you can see how powerful nature is. The crashing waves, the endless ocean. It's hard to believe this place is just a short drive from the city. Careful though. These rocks can get slippery in winter. Always stay safe and watch your step. So here's a fun question for you. How far do you think you can see from here on a clear day? Drop your guesses in the comments below, and I'll reveal the answer in my next video. Thanks for joining me on this winter adventure. If you enjoyed discovering this hidden gem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite hidden spot to explore? I'll see you in the next one. Lighthouse.